Holly's heading out to, where are you going? Live on location, Holly.
Extra casual for business.
Oh, right on. I'll be talking to you from there, Holly, with her fancy jacket. Now, we're like kind of in JK because we all have to change our shoes. Notice, this always smells so good by the end of the winter, doesn't it? I bet Holly's shoes don't stink, though. Holly's feet are like flowers. So, yes, my shoes are, well, see, there's my running shoes. I kind of like switch between them and my black ones because I'm usually very short in running shoes. I don't like people knowing how short I am. So, you're going out of focus. So, yeah, as Holly leaves, we're going to see how cold it is because I hear it's super, super cold. Look at that pretty Christmas tree at Dougal Media. Get better you than I, Holly. Be brave. Don't get hurt. Ah! Okay, let's see how cold it is. Not good.